First of all, first thing that we're going to be needing is some model. I'm going to be using the quick tools. More information on the box below. We finally have our model in the last stage that we really want to just make it come true, and we want to print it, but we don't know how to make the perfect size. For that, we always have the solution in front of our eyes, and it's this little guy right here. As you can see, mine is a little bit messed up, but that really doesn't matter. So what we're going to be using, this is a virtual rule, more well known as a transpose master. And we don't need to bring any kind of rule, digital rule, send this to any other tree software. We can set up the units inside Zbrush. First, we are going to be in need to make a bounding box. And you might be asking, well, what is a bounding box? Let me tell you real quick. We're going to be creating a primitive. We're just going to be appending, and it's going to be easier for us to just measure from here to here. And we're not going to be having this issue of having um, inclination, and it's going to be perfect align. So let's go on to it. We can also create super fast bounding box by clicking down here. Zebra is going to be taking care of all of that. And there we have it. The bounding box is going to be done by itself. Perfect. Now that we have our bounding box, then we're going to be using this, the transpose master, and I'm going to be just pressing shift, dragging here all the way and wait to the snap. So now I can tell how tall I want this, and I'm estimating 8 centimeters. This is just a measure that I want. It's not for anything. This is just for this model purpose. First, we need to set scale, and I recommend you to go with centimeters. We can use millimeters, inches, feet. Centimeters is more makes sense in my head. Let's go down here and set up inset axis, or Y in this case it's gonna be, because Y is the green one. So let's go Y. Now that we have that and we set up on 8 centimeters, we can resize subtool, and there we have it. It's gonna be 8 centimeters tall. Right here you can see on this part it's written 8 centimeters, and then you don't need to deal with any other issue.